Hey guys, so there you go, you can see me. So this will be a little bit of a different video than usual. I got sent some products that require a smartphone to test, and normally under those circumstances I just, I do an unboxing and or I do a review of the product after I've tried it, but I don't do anything with my phone on camera because I normally use my phone as the camera. But in this case, the company sent me several things. They've already sent me one thing, and I felt like I wanted to do something a little better for them. So I'm going to film the whole thing, whole process, and we'll see. I might edit it, or I might just keep it long and unedited. We'll see. So yeah, those of you who watch my videos know that I use the washer and dryer as my indoor workbench, even though I have several nice workbenches. And I use these vanity lights to test light bulbs. So what we have here, the Nooie Aurora Smart LED Multicolor bulb. So we'll do an unboxing. Let's see here. Product features. Set up the QR codes or go to the App Store to download the Nooie Home app. And then Nooie Aurora only supports 2.4 gigahertz wireless. Make sure the power is off. No real instructions on that other than downloading the app. What about this one? Nope. No real instructions, so maybe all the instructions are in the app. So have my Android phone. So let's go to the Play Store. Download the Nooie app. See, I've got Nooie Cam, Nooie Home. Which one did it say? I'm guessing a home, but Nooie Home. Install that. Let's turn Wi-Fi back on. I had Wi-Fi turned off earlier for one reason or another. This is the kind of stuff I might edit out because it takes a little while to download. Or like I said, I might leave it in. After all, then you know the full real-time process and how long it takes. I've got the phone plugged in. It had full battery, but I just figured to be safe since I keep an outlet on the workbench. And this is plugged in currently. I'll just demonstrate while we're waiting. 68% downloaded. Alexa, fountains off.
Okay.
It'll be a little quieter without the fountains, but I do like having them on, so maybe I'll turn them back on later. It's installing now. Open. Okay. So let's get rid of this. I'll have to create an account. I wish I could just use the light bulbs without having to give them all my information, because after I test them, I plan on giving them away as a gift to a friend. They want my name and email. Okay, now they're going to send me a verification code to my email. Here we go. Nooie 116501. Help me remember that. Other notifications keep popping up on my phone, making it harder. Somebody just sent me a Facebook friend request. I have so many friend requests to catch up on. 116501. Create password. Oh, let me confirm password. There we go. It's doing a thing. Add device, smart light. So now we're going to power on the light. Confirm that it's flashing blue. It's not flashing blue. So let's hit not flashing blue. Power off. Wait 10 seconds. And then power on. Turn device off, on, off, on, off, and on again. There we go. It's asking for my Wi-Fi passcode. So sometimes these companies send me stuff to review and I'm like, why did you single me out for this? They'll send me stuff like pet stuff and I don't have any pets, or, you know, just very random things. But for somebody to send me a color changing light bulb, they presumably have watched my videos, because I've reviewed a lot of color changing light bulbs. I have a lot of them in my house. This is something I would theoretically buy. Whether or not I would buy this particular one, we'll see. Can you see any of the lamps in the background that have the color changing bulbs? This lamp right here, I don't know if you can see it on the camera. There's color changing bulbs all over. It's still pairing. Connection failed. Interesting. Am I supposed to do something? There's nothing to click. Let's go back. Okay, we're going to try again on adding... Oops, typing the Wi-Fi password wrong. Let's try again at adding the bulb. Any luck? Not yet. Okay, bulb is white, so that's a good sign. And it now turned a different color. That's a new thing. Ah, pairing successful. Good, that's all it took. Okay, is it going to do something, or do I need to do something? Name your light bulb. I'm just going to call it center because it's in the center. Okay, so center, what can I do? I can turn it. I'm not sure. I just hit this thing here. It looked like a light switch, but now when I did that, it's just doing the little Nooie N, so I don't know what that's doing. That looks like a soft white. Come on. Okay, so what happens if I go here? So it looks like I can go all the way. There we go. It took a while. No. It looks like a dimmer, but it's not reacting. There we go. Dim. Bright. I can go all the way. Warm white. Progressively cooler. Slide along the color spectrum. What does this do? This is a switch. Okay. Is this color changing? Ah, here we go. I'm assuming there's a way to get smooth color changing. Interesting. Playful. Romantic. Natural. Focused. Interesting. Oops. Okay, what goes here? Device sharing information, firmware. Okay, you can connect it to Alexa, which I'm not going to do, but you can do it. So how do I... How do I get it to, like, color change? I'm doing it manually, but there's got to be a way. You can schedule it. I don't want to schedule it. I just want, like, to go through the colors. I'm sure there's a way to do it. I just can't figure it out. I can figure out how to schedule it. I can figure out how to give any of these themes cheerful. Playful. Floating. Calm. Focused. Blue. Green. That's supposedly orange. Doesn't look very orange. How do I get back to... How do I get back to the other colors? I did it on accident the first time. There we go. So there's daylight, bright white, warm white, or I can slide along the thing, and then that's dimmer. Only thing I can't figure out how to do is how to do like the smooth color changing the way that my normal color changing bulbs work. Alexa, laundry room light off.
Okay.
So you can probably see some of my color changing lights in the background. There's got to be a way to cycle through the colors. There are themes for... Yep, there are themes for the non-colored lights too. Although I think they're the same. Okay. Well, if I wanted a smart bulb that was controlled exclusively by my phone or by Alexa or Google Home or whatever, it's got a lot of options. Personally, I prefer when they have their own remote, so I don't have to have my phone on me at all times, or I don't have to go through a smart device. It'd be nice if they came with a remote as well. And I can't figure out how to do color change, which is a feature that I use. Other than that, I think I like that it has everything from, you know, real warm to daylight, and you can in between. You can do it gradually, not just in settings. It's got dimmers. Yeah, a lot of features. I don't know how many lumens it is, but it's plenty bright. That's why I turned the laundry room light off so you can compare. Are we all the way up right now? I don't think so. Yeah, that's all the way up. It's plenty bright. Yeah. So, it's brighter than any of my other color changing bulbs, I'll give you that. Okay. Well, thanks for watching.